Om Shanti class. Today we are going to do median of a group data. Now in your previous class you've already studied how to find the median of an ungrouped data. But here today I'll teach you how to find the median of a group data. And for finding the median of a group data, we have a formula and we are going to apply that formula today. Now just see what is median. What is the formula for the median? It is L. And what is L here? L here is the lower limit of the median class. And n upon 2, what is n? N is the sigma fi. It means it is the sum of all the frequency. And what is CF here? It's the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Right? And F here is the frequency of the median class. Right? The formula is L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. Right class? And you know now what does L is here, what is CF, what is H, and H here is the class width. Okay? Now, there is an empirical relation between median, mode and mean of a data. If out of 3 I know 2, I can find the third one by applying this formula. So 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. Okay, now we'll do one question. We based on the median, which will be, now things will be clear to you here. Now just see, class interval are from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. And what are the frequencies? Frequencies are 6, 8, 10, 12, 6, 5 and 3. First thing, what are we going to do? We are going to find the cumulative frequency. 6 will remain 6 only. Now, 6 plus 8, it will be equals to 14. Now, 14 plus 10, it will be equals to 24. 24 plus 12, it will be equals to 36. 36 plus 6, it is equals to 42. 42 plus 5, it will be equals to 47. And 47 plus 3, it will be equals to 50. So first thing, what are we going to do? We will find the cumulative frequency. Then I am going to calculate n upon 2. You know the total of n is 50. Or the last term again, it means it is the total of n is 50. So what is my n upon 2 here? It is 50 upon 2. So it will come to 25. And where is this 25 lying in the whole table there? You just see here. Because it is 25 will lie here. Because here the values are from 0 to 6. Here it is 6 to 14. Here from 14 to 24. Here from 24 to 36. So 36, this is our median class. What is this? This is a median class. And what is the frequency of the median class? F. F is equals to 12. And what is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class? 24. This is your cumulative frequency. So, before we start the question, that I should write it here. Cumulative frequency is equals to 24. Frequency of the median class is 12. Lower limit of the median class, you know this is lower limit and this is upper limit. So lower limit of the median class is 60. What is H? H is here 80 minus 60, so it is 20. And one very important thing here is that this data should be arranged, or the class interval should be arranged in ascending order, and size of the class interval should also be equal. Now I'll apply the formula. What is median equals to? Median is equals to lower limit plus n upon 2 minus cumulative frequency whole upon f into h. What is the lower limit here? 60. What is n upon 2? You know, you have already calculated. It is 25. What is the cumulative frequency? 24. What is the frequency here? It is 12. And what is h here? It is 20. So very important thing is that we need to first write all these values and then calculate. Right? You know, 4 5s are 20 and 4 3s is 12. So it is coming 5 upon 3. So it is coming to 60 plus 1.6666. It is coming, so I can round it off to 2 place of decimal. So it will come to 1.67. So answer is 61.67. Okay, let me take up one more example. See, I have one question here. Find the median of the following data. An age in years below 10 years, below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50. And number of policy holders are given 5, 9, 15, 18, 20. In this case, it means the cumulative frequency is already given to you. If it is written below 10, so what am I going to take? I'll take 0 to 10. Another one below 20, so I'll take 10 to 20. Then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Right? Now here it is written that below 10 are 5. So 5 I'll take it as it is. Now below 20 are 9. So how many are between 10 to 20? 9 minus 5. So how many are between 10 to 20? 4. Now below 30 are 15. So how many are between 20 to 30? It will be 15 minus 9. It will be 6. Just learn how to find the frequency there. Now how many are below 40? It is 18 minus 15. It will be 3. And how many are from 40 to 50? Because it is written below 50. 20 minus 18. So whenever a less than table is given to you, you have to make it like this. If it is more than, then we make from down to up. And here we go from up to down there. In these cases, it means cumulative frequency is already given to you. So cumulative frequency will be 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. It is already given to you. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. And 18 plus 2 is 20. Now what is n upon 2 here? You know 20 upon 2 here is 10. 10 term. Now where is our 10 is lying? 10 is lying from here, 9, between 9 to 15. So this will be my median class. Right? So you know cumulative frequency will be 9. Frequency will be 6. Lower limit will be 20. So what will be our lower limit? It is 20. What is our frequency here? It is 6. What is our cumulative frequency here? It is 9. Right? You know n upon 2. What it is? It is 10. And what is my h here equals to? H here is equals to 30 minus 20. So it is equals to 10. Now I've told you the formula. Apply in the formula and find the median. Okay class? Thank you.